mastery is your first one. Your second one is recruiting mastery. How good are you at being able to paint a vision? How good are you at being able to set realistic expectations? Because in my promo, I said we were going to get real, we were going to be raw, we were going to be honest. Too many people make this business too easy. We wonder why people quit, and it's because we, as sponsors, sometimes set the wrong expectation. We all just agreed that this is not an easy business, right? So why are we telling people it's easy? Why are we telling the product sells itself? Does the product really sell itself, family? It's a great service, don't get me wrong, but it's an innovative service. People don't understand what we're doing. People don't understand what we offer. So it's our responsibility to educate, yes, but then that's why follow-up becomes so critical. So recruiting mastery, number 2. Retention mastery is number 3. We know that is the lifeline of a long-term healthy business, right? And this is retention not just from a customer perspective, from a client perspective, but also from an associate perspective. Are you working on building relationships with the people that you're bringing in? Are you understanding why they are doing this business, what they need this business to provide for them? Or are you just looking at people as a number? We've all heard this saying is people don't really care how much you know until they know how much you care, right? Are you showing your team that you actually care? Do you know when their birthdays are? Do you know how many kids they have? Do you know what they do for work? Do you know if they take Saturdays off? Right? Knowing the things that are important to them. Number 5. Did I say number 4 already? Did I do 4 or was that 3? That was 3. That was 4. Okay, perfect. Number 5, presentation mastery. How good are you at doing a presentation?